Well, I wasn't gonna do it, but you could only have one unboxing. And I got this. Whoa! And I'm gonna have to update you on about a month or two because I don't know what to expect. You know, I can let you guys see what I see and read what it says. It says that what is hydrogen? What is molecular hydrogen therapy? Molecular hydrogen, H2, is the smallest and most selective antioxidant in existence. It penetrates deep into your cells, neutralizing the most toxic free radicals linked to inflammation, aging, and chronic disease without interfering with beneficial molecules. Backed by thousands of scientific studies, H2 supports every organ of the body to promote better energy, faster recovery, improved focus, and overall cellular health. It's safe, natural, and as easy as breathing or drinking water. We have a nice chart here. You've just taken a powerful step on your journey. We're here to offer anyone awareness, access, and activation for discover, health, innovation, and opportunity. Join Ostara for the hydrogen evolution. It had a thank you. If you got any questions, let us know. I opened the private courier package, and then I was like, what the fuck? I should probably just do the whole thing. Health benefits, anti-aging effects, combats oxidative stress, aids and detoxification, reduces inflammation, supports DNA health, enhances cognitive ability, promotes gut health, increases vitality and recovery, boosts immune function. It's got the features, but this is just the cheapest one they had because I'm trying to become the best person I can be. People argue you don't need this to be that, but who's to say? I'm gonna figure it out. Hydrospark, we got the instructions. This came in the inside. Read first. Says it's pressurized. That's how the hydrogen gets in there. And then we have the unboxing. This is this. I've got lotion on my hands, so it's going to smear. Very, very sleek. This screws on there, I saw. After you fill it with water from the top. And it's got the USB that makes the magic happen. And I've got this little plug. So I'm actually in the middle of getting ready to go help my wife because she's a little handicapped right now. Hurt her foot. And about to let this baby charge up, and I'll get back in like a couple hours and try it for the first time.